stuck behind glass.
Hello, hello, can you hear me? I'm alive.
I may be just a prehistoric mummy, buried to the ears in ochre mud. I dream to be reborn in a couple of years, but I don't really want to make much fuss, because the last thing that I remember was being cleaved into with an axe. I'm glad it was an act of great honor, but I'm truly glad that it was my last. I don't recognize the scenery. It all looks very different to me. It's so very, oh so lonely in this tomb, with some flint and some bones of a horse. There are some things you can talk about to pass the time, but I can only talk grass for so long. My